Hi everyone, welcome to my video where I'll walk you through a web quiz application I built using HTML, CSS and JavaScript for frontend, Firebase for authentication and database. Now let us take a quick look at my project structure. Firstly, we have app.js. This app.js is mainly for core logic for quiz and results. And then we have Firebase config.js. This is to connect our Firebase with our web application. And then we have index.html, which is mainly for login page. And then we have signup.html, which is for signing up and sign up form. And then we have quiz.html. This is mainly for the quiz interface we get. And then I have result.html. This result.html displays the final score. And then we have style.css. It styles for all pages. Now let us dive into each part of the code. See here, this is my app.js code. This is the main JS file and contains quiz data, quiz logic, results and all. Now see this. Here we give emoji for questions. That means when they take question, it can take any one of this emoji and add it to the question. Here I gave question data. This question data contains question, options and answer. See this. I gave 25 questions in my code. And then I have a author navigation. Author navigation is for when the users are not logged in, so that this part redirects the users to log in first and then answer the quiz. Then I have logout button. After the quiz is done, they can log out easily through this logout button. And then I have show or hide password. This is mainly for UX purposes. And then we have remember me. When someone logins, if they don't want to log in again next time, they can just start remember me and they can just log in directly without the typing all that again. They can use autofill. So that's for that. And then we have sign up. It is for signing up when you don't have already an account. And then we have quiz logic. This quiz logic has the next button and the round info. That means which round are we playing on, which question are we going to, and it also adds random emojis to our questions. And then we have result logic. Here we compare answers, calculate the score and pushes data to the Firestore. This is all about our app.js logic. And then we go to index.html. Here we collect the email and password and handle login. And then we have signup.html. Here we check for password, we match it and we create an account for the user. This is for first time users. And index.html is for next users when they already have an account and they are trying to log in. And then we have quiz. See here, this shows one question at a time. Like we have 25 questions in total. It gives 5 rounds, 5 questions for each round. In each question we get the question number and the round number. And then the user can select an option which is saved in an array. And after 25 questions, answers are saved to a local storage and then the user is sent to result.html. So here in result.html, we load answers from local storage. We compare it to the answers we already gave before and we display a detailed list with the feedback. Then we save the score we got to Firestore with timestamp. You can also retake the quiz after all the answers are given, like after we get the result and feedback page, we have a retake button. So next, Firebase config.js. Here this will connect our Firebase to our code. Then we have style.css. This is mainly to styling all our code. I mean, like layout, buttons, progress bar, hover, unselected states, all that. Now let us go to output demo. Let us see how it is working. See here. First, we got create an account. I'm creating an account. I'm giving my email. Then I'm giving my password. It's asking me to confirm password, which just means that I have to type in again so that it knows I'm not typing wrong. We signed in and then it's quiz time. See here, it gave us a round and question numbers, and then it started with the first question. We had this logout button from the start, and then we have this next button, and then this shows our progress. Let me just put something like I'm going to click some random things just for us to get there faster. So, clearly observe that the question numbers and the rounds are changing with each question, and also does my progress. The logout button is still the same. You can log out at any part, like at any time of the quiz. Logout means just backing out, and you can always log in again and do the quiz again, but it doesn't continue from where you left it. It comes back to the start. Yes, we are done. This is the last question. See here, I got my quiz results, my score and my percentage, and still I have my logout button. Here I have correct answers, that is my question, my answer, and the correct answer I gave during the start. And then we get all the answers for all the questions, and then at last we have retake quiz. You can press this again and the quiz will come out again. See here, log out. You logged out. And if you don't have an account, you can sign up here, but we already have an account, so we can just log back in, like login. After all this, we got a scorecard at last, so that will be stored here. Look at this. This is my Firebase console. I have just logged in, so here it stored my email and user ID, and when I signed it with a timestamp. Yes, so we used Firebase. It also stored my end score and my progress, but it did not score my individual question progress. That was stored in local storage, and at last it was compared to the correct answers, and the final score was only stored in this Firebase. So that's all. Here is our quiz, and thank you.